Today I am preparing special masala akki roti. For that I am using bottle ground. Today I am using around half bottle ground. Now I am going to grate this. Like this I am going to grate it. After grating bottle ground it looks like this. Now I am going to grate carrot also. Today I am using one whole carrot. Now you can see I have grated carrot and bottle ground. The main ingredients which I am using for special masala akki roti is bottle ground carrot. I have taken a 1 finely chopped onion, 3 green chilies which are chopped, coriander, curry leaves. If you want you can add grated coconut also, it's optional. Now for special masala akki roti I am preparing one masala. For that I have taken pan, I am adding little oil, jeera, chana dal. Once it starts popping, I am going to add green chilies. Today I have taken here 3 finely chopped green chilies. Along with that 1 finely chopped onion. We need to slightly fry this. Now I am adding curry leaves. That is also chopped curry leaf. If you want you can add turmeric powder at this stage. Today I am not using turmeric powder. Now I am adding grated bottle ground and carrot, that is alsorekai, we call it in Kannada, or sorekai also. 1 pinch of sugar. Why I added sugar is because the color of the carrot and bottle ground remains the same. Mix it well. Fry it very slightly. Now I am adding grated coconut. Mix it well. After adding bottle ground and carrot, if you fry it for 1 minute, that's enough. Now I am adding chopped coriander. Now mix it well. Now you can see masala for special masala akki roti is ready. Now I am going to switch off the stove. Now I have taken here one big pan. I am adding water, around 1.5 cup of water. This is for making akki roti. Now I am adding salt for taste. One drop of oil. Now we need to allow this water to boil. Now you can see water is boiling. Now I am going to add the rice flour. For 1.5 cups of water, I'm adding around 2.5 spoons of rice flour. You can check the consistency and you can add it later also. After adding rice flour, mix it with spatula. Like this we need to mix this. And after adding rice flour, mix it for around 1 minute and then we can switch off the stove. Now I will allow it to cool. Today along with special masala akki roti, I am preparing one special red chutney. For that I have taken pan and I am adding oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding 2 roughly chopped onions. I am adding jeera, 1 spoon of jeera. Little methi, around 1 pinch of methi. And around 10 to 12 badgi chilies. And garlic, whole 1 garlic. Now I will mix this. Now I am adding curry leaf. If you want oil, you can add. No need to add more oil also. For frying, how much it required, that much is enough. If you fry it slightly, it's enough. After adding onion, cook it for around 1 to 2 minutes, it's enough. Now I'll switch off the stove. Now you can see I'm transferring all the fried ingredients to mixer jar. Now for this I'm going to add tamarind juice. You can add tamarind juice as per your taste. Salt for taste. Today I am using rock salt. Jaggery. This is also for taste. Now I am going to grind this. Now you can see after grinding it looks like this. Now for the same pan I am adding oil. Now I am adding mustard, jeera, chana dal, around 2 spoons of chana dal. Once the mustard and jeera starts popping, I am adding 1 finely chopped onion, curry leaf, now I am going to mix this. Once onion is fried, now I'm going to add the prepared onion and red chili paste. If you want, you can add water and adjust the consistency also. Even you can use this chutney to taste with chapati, puri, dosa also. Now I am going to mix this. And now we need to allow this to boil. If you want little more salt, you can add. I'm adding little salt and little tamarind juice also. Now you can see it's boiling. Special red chutney which is prepared using onion and red chilies is ready. Now I'll switch off the stove. Now for this prepared rice flour dough, now I'm going to mix the masala which I prepared for masala akki roti. Now I'm going to mix it well by using hands. If you want, you can add dill leaf also. Now I am adding around half spoon of rice flour. You can check the consistency and you can add the rice flour. Again I will mix this. Now I am adding little salt. You can sprinkle water and you can mix it. Now you can see dough for masala akki roti is ready. Now I am going to make balls as we do it for chapati or normal roti. Today I am doing medium size balls. Like this I am going to do the balls. Now you can see I have done medium size balls like this. Now I will start preparing roti. I will show you how to prepare roti. Today I am preparing roti by using this roti making machine. This is almost 25 years old roti making machine. If you don't have this, you can do it in normal way how you prepare chapati. Today I am using this machine. Today I have taken here one gasket cover like this. For this I am applying little oil. Grease it with oil. You can prepare rotis very fastly if you have this roti making machine. On the top also I am covering it with another one transparent plastic cover. Now I am placing the prepared ball and I am closing it with another plastic cover. Just I will close it like this and we need to press it. See, like this it's formed after one press. Now again I am going to press this. If you press it for 2 times it's enough. Within 10 to 15 seconds we can prepare roti. See, like this rotis are prepared. Even in this you can prepare normal roti also, puri also. Now you can see masala akki roti is prepared. Just tap it with your hands once like this. I have kept here two tawas because if I use 2 tawas I can prepare rotis very fastly. See, now I am going to remove it like this. If you use any gasket covers you can remove it very easily. Now I am going to transfer it on to heated tawa. Now I will show you another one. After each and every roti, grease it with oil. Both the covers grease it with oil. And now place the prepared ball. Just press it with your hands and then do it like this. See, like this, if you do it for 2 to 3 times, roti is ready. And after that, once you can tap it with your hands. Now another roti is also ready. Now here another tawa is also heated. Now I am going to remove the roti. Now you can see on both the tawas I am cooking roti. If you want you can add oil on the top. If you don't want you can skip this. If you add it will give little extra taste. Even you can prepare small rotis like this and you can deep fry it also. You can use that as evening snacks. Today I am applying oil on both the sides. For this also I am applying the oil. And you can carry it for lunchbox also. You can taste it with even coconut chutney, mint chutney also. Today I have prepared special onion chutney, red chutney. Flip it and cook it on both the sides like this. You can see now rotis are cooked. Now I am transferring it to serving plate. You can see the red glitter golden brown in color on the top. If you feel that it's changed to glitter golden brown in color, then the rotis are cooked. It will be so tasty and healthy as we are you prepared it using bottle ground. Now this one also I am transferring it to serving plate. Now we can see special masala akki roti which is prepared using bottle ground and carrot is ready. Along with that special red chutney prepared using red chilies and onion. You can use it for breakfast and lunch box and even evening snacks also. Hope so you enjoyed my video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification. You will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.